In this video we will demonstrate making action sets, recording actions and running a folder batch conversion, using Adobe Photoshop's batch automation feature. Step 1. Start with a base image to record and create an action. Step 2. Click Create a new set. Be descriptive when naming your new set. Highlight and copy the set name. Step 3. Click the plus sign to create a new action. Be descriptive when naming your new action or paste the copied set name from Step 2. Click the Record button to start recording and perform all functions that you would like recorded. In this example we will image size to 72 dpi, change the color mode to RGB, save as JPEG and close the file. Step 4. Click the Stop Recording button on the Actions palette when finished. A successful action set has now been created for use with Photoshop's batch automation. Step 5. Creating batch automation. Create an output destination folder. Be descriptive when naming the destination folder. Step 6. In Photoshop under the File menu scroll down to the Automate and select Batch. From the Batch window under Play, choose the set and action created in Step 3. Under Source, choose Folder, click on the Choose button and navigate to the folder of images you would like to batch automate and click Choose. Under Destination, choose Folder, click on the Choose button and navigate to the empty folder you created in Step 5 and click Choose. Under File Naming, you can add to the name of the source images creating set of new images in the defined destination folder. Click OK to start the batch processing. When we look at the folders you will now see the 5 new images that the Automate Batch function produced. Take a look in the destination folder that was created in Step 5 to see the results.